friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Activator. Today I am going to discuss you some of the short-term courses which Accenture has started, and by doing it you can get a certificate and you will get a brief knowledge about some of the high demand courses. So let's see it. So here you can see they have started 8 courses and all of these courses are free of cost, and it will take around 2 to 3 weeks only to complete all these courses. And you can see some of the courses like artificial intelligence, digital marketing, retail, and digital skills in web analytics. So there are planned total of 8 courses which you can utilize it, and it will take 2 to 3 weeks to complete it. Once you will complete, you will get a certificate and it can add a value to your resume, to your LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to enroll in artificial intelligence. So let's see how we can do. First of all, we need to register on this website, and if you are already registered you need to log in. So I will first register myself, Subham Singh, and then I will give the age, my email address, and a password. Okay, you can check all these things for getting a future update also regarding these courses. Okay, and they have sent a mail to me and I need to confirm it. Let's refresh my Gmail, and you can see welcome to digital. Okay, just the welcome message I got, and this is the confirmation. I need to confirm my email address. So I will confirm my email address, and now you can see I have been logged in as a Subham Singh, and this is my courses. So I can go to course and start my learning procedure. As you can see, only 3 weeks are there: week 1, week 2, and week 3, and it will give a basic idea how artificial intelligence are right now in the market, what are its use cases, and I will get a certificate at the end of the course. Also, I have a link for some of the data science book. Like if you don't want to purchase online, and because these are all costly book, so Springer is a website which has a collection of multiple books, and they have released total of 408 books right now, and all of them are free. So you can download the PDF version and you can save it in your system. And also, if you want to take a printout, you can take a printout of those books. And out of 408, a list of total 65 books are related to machine learning, data science, or Python programming language, or R programming language. And as you can see, all of the list are mentioned in this article. I will give the link of this article also. And if I go to any of the topic like data structure and algorithms with Python, I will click on the link and I will get the book, and you will get the option of data structure and algorithm with Python, and I can download the PDF version of it. I'll click here, and as you can see, these all books are written by renowned author. So it will be good if you can save some of the interesting book which you will want to study. As you can see, I have saved data structure and algorithm with Python. You can save it, and if you want to take all of the books, like these 65 books are related to machine learning and data science, and some of the books will be from other domains. If you want to download all of the books, I will share one GitHub link. So this is Alexander GitHub link, which he has recently created this one. And what he has done, like if you want to download all of the books free of cost, 408 books, then you can use his Python script to download all at once. As you can see, Python script to download all Springer books released for during 2020 COVID-19 quarantine, and all these books will be free of cost for lifetime. So you can utilize these things. So two things which you can do: you can register on this Accenture website and start a course, and also you can download some of the machine learning book from the these URLs. I will give all these link in the video description. Please download it from there.